Stretching elegantly from the Piazza di Spagna below to the Trinità dei Monti church above, this grand staircase of 135 steps has been captivating visitors since the 18th century. The name Spanish Steps comes from the nearby Spanish embassy to the Holy See, located at the base. But don't be fooled. The staircase was actually designed by Italian architects Francesco de Sanctis and Alessandro Specchi. In the warmer months, the steps are beautifully adorned with blooming azaleas, making them a favorite spot for both locals and travelers to relax, people watch, and soak in the Roman atmosphere. At the bottom, you'll find the Barcaccia Fountain, a charming boat-shaped fountain designed by Pietro Bernini and his famous son, Gian Lorenzo Bernini. At the top, the view of the city's rooftops is simply unforgettable. Whether you're here for a quick photo, to enjoy a gelato, or simply to watch the city's life flow by, the Spanish Steps remain a timeless symbol of Rome's charm.